This time I will teach you how to make smoothie. First, you need some people. Wash your hands. First, what you need to do. Then you need some frozen. Oh no, my hand. Frozen fruit. Mom already buy mom. I'll make just mango. Just mango. Mango. And then you need margarine cup. Hello, I'm Ludi. This time I'm going to teach you how to make smoothie. First, you need a blender. Second, you need some water. Third, you need a margarine cup. Fourth, you need food. Fifth, you need a bowl. Sixth, you need some frozen fruit. Oh, this time we'll use frozen mango. Open the blender. And put some fruit in the bowl. Done, put it back. Put it back. This is not too much. So this is 1 cup. And put water in it. When it is 1 cup, you stop. Done. And then low P 20 seconds. 20 seconds. High P 60 seconds. So down. when it don't work, it means here's a bubble. So you need to poke it. I got a fork. Oh, it's a bubble. Then. Down here it's like four squares going. So if it's 4 squares, it means you're doing it right. If it's so fast, it means maybe you don't need to do it every time. Maybe now it's okay. Good. Okay, now let me get it. Okay. You could do some decoration if you want, but I don't want to waste my time. Good. Bye bye. Hello. Last time I said waste time burger is not good, but now I'm gonna give you a waste time burger. I have some spaghetti in it. Take one of the best ones. I want one, the best one. Okay, let me see what the best one. Oh, I found it. Decoration